Learning the alphabet becomes an enchanting journey when traditional education meets sensory engagement. The innovative approach of bubble pop learning transforms letter recognition into a multisensory experience that captivates young minds through auditory and visual stimulation. Each alphabetic character is introduced alongside satisfying popping sounds, creating memorable associations that enhance retention. The addition of playful feline companions serves a crucial pedagogical purpose, as their animated reactions provide emotional anchoring to each letter. Research demonstrates that combining tactile feedback with adorable imagery significantly improves early literacy development. Children naturally gravitate toward interactive elements, and the methodical popping sequence establishes pattern recognition skills fundamental to reading comprehension. This educational framework successfully merges entertainment with academic rigor, proving that effective learning need not sacrifice enjoyment. The marriage of phonetic practice and delightful animations creates an optimal environment where alphabetic mastery flourishes naturally.